Nagkasunduan na ni Pangulong Noynoy Aquino at ni Chinese President Hu Jintao na gawing Sea of Friendship and Cooperation ang mga isla sa West Philippine Sea, partikular na ang Spratly Islands. Nasaksihan din ng dalawang Pangulo ang pagpirma sa 7 kasunduan kabilang na ang 5-year Trade Development Program. May news to go, si Cara David.
Malugod na tinanggap ni Chinese President Hu Jintao si Pangulong Noynoy Aquino sa Great Hall of the People sa Beijing. Sa kanilang bilateral meeting, nagkasundo ang Pilipinas at China sa posisyon na dapat gawing Sea of Friendship and Cooperation ang mga isla sa West Philippine Sea, partikular ang Spratly Islands. Napagkusunduan din hindi dapat malimita sa Pilipinas at China lamang ang issue, kundi dapat isama ang iba pang claimants nito. Pero hindi na pag-usapan ang posibilidad na magkaroon ng joint oil exploration.
We brought it up, they responded in what would conceivably be, given the context, a very positive way. Something that engenders peaceful resolution rather than increasing the tensions. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, they did agree that this should not be a central part or the be-all or end-all of our relationships with them. I think both sides were striving to talk about areas where we have agreement rather than the 1 or 2 areas that we are not in agreement with.
Bagamat negosyo ang pakay ng state visit na ito ni Pangulong Aquino dito sa China, hindi mapapalagpas ni Pangulong Aquino na pag-usapan kasama si Chinese President Hu Jintao ang issue ng West Philippine Sea. Pero makakaasa raw ang China na sinsero ang pakay ng Pilipinas na mapatatag ang pagkakaibigan ng dalawang bansa.
Pinag-usapan din ang controversial na North Rail Project na hindi natuloy kahit dapat ay popondohan ito ng China. Ayon kay Pangulong Aquino, marami umanong anomalya sa proyekto na unang pinasok sa ilalim ng administrasyon ni dating Pangulong Gloria Arroyo.
There's a Chinese company that expended its time, its efforts, and certain resources. The rights have to be respected. But hindi na-reject yung ating proposal. So that will be taken care of and further discussions between our Department of Transportation and Communications and the responsible officials of the Chinese side. Well, subject to interpretation yung sagot eh. Perhaps when they get to discussing the details will be the proper time for me to really stress out, to really emphasize what the details are.
Pagkatapos ng bilateral meeting, sinaksihan ng dalawang Pangulo ang pagpirma sa 7 kasunduan kasama ang 5-year Trade Development Program na layong magdala ng 60 bilyong dolyar na halaga ng trade at investment.
Mula dito sa Beijing, China, Cara David, GMA News.